Hello and welcome to the Orwell Astronomical Society podcast for March 2012. This month we reach a point in the year where the day and night are of equal length. We call this the spring or vernal equinox. This year this will happen on March the 20th. And also don't forget to put the clocks forward by 1 hour at 1 AM on Sunday the 25th. Right, let's start this month with the moon. Full moon this month is on the 8th, with the new moon following 14 days later on the 22nd. Well, the moon is far from being a nighttime only object. When it is around full, it will indeed be a nighttime object, but towards new phase, it will rise early in the morning and set early in the evening. The planets this month are going to put on a spectacular display for us. Mercury is easily visible this month, best early in the month, immediately after sunset in the west. It will appear quite brilliant, but will be in the bright sunset. Venus continues to shine like a beacon in the evening this month. It will be the very bright object visible just after sunset in the southwest, about 25 degrees above the horizon. Mars reaches opposition on the 3rd of March. This means that it is on the opposite side of the Earth from the Sun, and so presents the best opportunity for us to view it. If you take the opportunity to look through a telescope or binoculars on a tripod, you may even see some surface markings, or even polar ice caps. Mars's brightness will be about the same as Sirius, the bright star to the bottom left of Orion. And please ignore any spam emails that tend to do the rounds at this time, saying Mars will be so big and bright it will be bigger than the Moon. Mars is still to be found in Leo, and I've told you how to find Leo in several of the past podcasts. Jupiter is now past its best, as it slowly starts to sink in the sky when it gets dark enough to view it. However, still worth a look through binoculars to check out what the moons are doing. Saturn also moves towards opposition this month, and so, just like Mars, is in an excellent position to view. Unfortunately, the best time to see it is after midnight, and then at the end of the month, and it lies in the constellation of Virgo, which will be in the southeast at that time. The rings are now beautifully open, and it certainly lives up to its reputation as being the wow planet when you see it close up. Now, a quick word about some planetary alignments this month. Tuesday the 13th will see the brilliant planets Jupiter and Venus approach to within 3 degrees of each other, and on Monday the 26th, Venus and the Moon approach close to one another. Now, there are no meteor showers worth looking out for this month. And now on to constellation watching. This month we start to lose Orion, a sure sign that winter is nearly over. The zodiac constellations are the 12, or more accurately 13 constellations that the Sun appears to pass through as the Earth rotates about the Sun. This month the zodiac constellations on view are Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, which is very difficult to make out, Leo and Virgo, and these may be found in that order from west via south to east. 2 bright stars to look out for on either side of the overhead point are Arcturus, which is bright red and in the constellation of Boötes, the herdsman, and that's in the east, and Capella in Auriga, and that's the charioteer, and Auriga is in the west. I hope that this podcast has given you some ideas of what to look out for this month. There is plenty more up there to see, and I recommend that you look on the internet, astronomy magazines, or in an astronomy book for a sky map to show you what else is out there and where to look for it. Listen out next month for April's highlight.